Am I seeing double? Welcome inside this incredible home. In a great location next to the public pool at golf course, another great fact about this house is it has 2 kitchens. This spacious home offers over 3,000 square feet and includes 4 bathrooms. This house is also great because the layout of it allows for double the laundry space. Not only does this home have an amazing indoor space, but take a look at this outdoor space.
Perfect for enjoying the great outdoors.
I'm Jacob Helmrick with the agency by Tariq El Musa, powered by eXp Realty. Contact me or another trusted realtor to schedule your personal showing today.